Hello folks, and it's day 14 of the calendar opening. This is not sponsored by Galaxy or the Postcode Lottery, and we'd help with Blonde Alfie and the Hairy Monkey. Has he left the poo? He's left the poo. He's left the poo, ain't he? Filthy animal. Anyway, let's get on to day 14 of the Galaxy Code and the Postcode Lottery. Oh, filthy. God, how can you leave a poo on the blooming thing? You know what I mean? Anyway, 14. We got Santa Claus. Again, it's getting close. Oh, God, the smell of it. Anyway, Santa Claus. Thank you very much, poo. Day 14. Here we go, day 14. Whiz Kids provided 980 children with specialist equipment for wheelchair skills training, which is brilliant. Now wheelchair kids can get around, and some people, kids and adults, they can do sports in wheelchairs, basketball and all that. It's really good, I've seen it. But anyway, good on Whiz Kids, helping 980 children with wheelchair skills and training. Good. Well anyway, you've been watching Blonde Alfie, Hairy Monkey and his poo opening Postcode Lottery and day 14 of the calendar, and you've been watching Mike's chat on the 4K eyebrow. Thank you very much.